Good evening, everyone. Okay, actually, in the previous classes, I started with the completing square method. So let me completely explain that for you guys. Okay, so observe carefully. Here it is the equation. So that is 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equals to 0. It's a quadratic equation. Okay, so what is the first step that you're supposed to do? It means take c into right hand side. Take c into right hand side. So that is plus 3 will become minus 3. That is the first step. So the next step it is check a. Check a means it is nothing but a coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square is how much it is? So 2. So coefficient of x square is 2. Divide that number on both the side. So divide 2 on both the side. So if I divide means, so now 2x square divided by 2, 2 will get cancelled, remaining x square. So therefore x square, so minus 7x divided by 2, minus 7x divided by 2 equals to, so minus 3 divided by 2. Okay, so after dividing you will get the equation like this. Next, afterwards, so very important step that you're supposed to follow here. So add you have to add half into coefficient of x. So coefficient of x, so half into coefficient of x whole square. That's very important, that you're supposed to add on both the side. So okay, so now first write these two terms as it is. So finish. Next, as I said, add. So half into coefficient of x is how much here? 7 by 2. So that is 7 by 2. Half into 7 by 2 whole square. So whole square. So half into 7 by 2 whole square, that you have added here. Okay, so similarly come to the RHS. When you come to RHS, so same thing that you're supposed to do it. Minus 3 by 2 as it is, you write minus 3 by 2 plus, so plus, so here it is plus, so half into 7 by 2 whole square, half into 7 by 2 whole square as it is, because both you're supposed to add on both the side. So that's it, finished. The next step is, so here it is x square as it is, you write x square. So 7x, 7 divided by 2x as it is, you write. Next, here it is 7 into 1. 7 into 1 is 7. So 2 into 2 it is 4. Okay, whole square as it is. Next again, so 3 by 2, 3 by minus 3 by 2 plus, so 7 by 4 whole square as it is, you write. Next, observe carefully another very important term. So however, in all the questions you can check, okay, so this term, especially this term, it should be or it will be in the form of either a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. So in these two forms, so any of these two, so then how to identify whether it is a plus b or a minus b? So simple, quite a simple, check the sign. So check the sign. So if there is a negative over here in between, so it is a minus b whole square. If there is a negative over there, it will be a minus b whole square. If there is a positive over there, so if there is a positive over there, it will be a plus b whole square. That's it, quite simple, you can remember like that. So now there is a negative, definitely it is in the form of a minus b whole square. So then it is a square, this is minus 2ab, and this is plus b square. So then I can write this one in the form of a minus b whole square, right? So similarly, so what is a actually here? Then a means x, and what is b actually here? 7 by 4. So x minus 7 by 4 whole square. So that is a minus b whole square formula. Okay, so similarly you write this one as it is, minus 3 by 2, 7 sevens are, so square. If I enter, I mean if I took that inside, it will become 49 by 16. Okay. So next, you take this as it is like this itself. So now RHS, you simplify the RHS. So now for these two, LCM is 16. 16 is the LCM. So then, so 2 how many times it divides 16? It is 8 times. So 8 times 8 into 3, it is minus 24. Next 16, how many times it divides? One time. So 1 into 49, that is 49 as it is. So sorry, minus 24 plus 49, it is nothing but 25. 25 divided by 16. Now the square, send the square into right hand side, it will become, so plus or minus square root of 25 divided by 16. So here it is, square root of 25, it is 5, and square root of 16, it is 4. So then it is plus or minus 5 by 4. Okay, so afterwards, so now you can observe, you just observe this too, very important. Plus or minus means it is nothing but two roots. It's a quadratic right now, so two roots are there. So first take the plus one side, and minus one another side. Okay, so now here it is x minus 7 by 4 equals to plus 5 by 4 at one side, and minus 5 by 4 at another side, minus 5 by 4 at another side. Next, so take this minus 7 by 4 into right hand side, it will become plus 7 by 4. So take LCM, LCM will become 4. So then 5 plus 7. So 5 plus 7 means it is nothing but 12. 12 divided by 4, it is 4 ones are 4 threes are. Okay, so one root it is 3. And another one, so here it is the next one. Take this one into right hand side, so then it will become, so minus 5 by 4 plus 7 by 4, this minus 7 by 4 will become plus 7 by 4. So then 4 is the LCM, so then minus 5 plus 7, so that is 2. 2 divided by 4, that is 2 ones are 2 twos are, so the another root it is 1 by 2. So here it is one root it is 3, and another root it is 1 by 2. These two are the roots or the solutions that we found that by using completing a square method. This is how we are going to so use the completing square method for all the problems. So try to remember. So try to remember and solve other problems. Okay. Yes.